1979. The total available farmland in the area is just under 10 acres of land. So that means caring for animals, working with the local environment. So here at the farm, we've done a lot of work to restore the native environment. Also, I'll do maintenance and construction. We do programs for local children who are disadvantaged. They'll come here on the weekend and I get to work with them. I do this job because I think it's really important. The farm provides things for its community. It also provides a really important connection for people so that they can understand nature and food production, and of course as human beings we're a part of nature, so it's important. So I think there has been some effects on my life since I started here. I think I'm a bit healthier, which is good, working in the outdoors. I suppose I think a bit more now and feel more a connection to nature and the life cycles of things. So I suppose I feel a bit more connected to things. I think it's important for people to have a connection so that they can make choices and they can understand things. So in Western society, most people live in cities, they're disconnected from nature, they're disconnected from their food sources. So to come to a farm and to see and understand that we're a part of nature, animals are a part of this, I think that means that you can reflect on this and again make choices. I don't think people should have things pushed upon them and decisions made for them. I think they should make their own decisions, but I think the fact that people can come to, well, any farm, I think the fact that they can see animals and they can think in their mind, and perhaps when they're at home they can have a conversation. Well, I suppose being someone who eats meat, I think that's a choice that I can make. I suppose what I have done, and I understand things like, for example, with climate change and the impact of agriculture with that. I know that raising farm animals for meat can be, has a high environmental cost, so I suppose I might eat a bit less meat now. So in Australia there are laws that protect animals on farms. I don't personally think that we have laws that are as strong as I've understood laws overseas, for example in Europe. Some countries like Sweden and Germany, Switzerland have very strong animal protection laws, almost like a Bill of Rights for farm animals. And in Australia we don't have something that's the equivalent of this. So personally, and as a farmer, I would like to see more laws that protect animals' rights to express themselves. I certainly think we should consume less meat, as I sort of said before. But in terms of the same equal rights, I think animals should have, as I said before, they should have the rights to live as normal a life as they would if they were in the wild. So they should be able to express behaviour, they should be able to form social groups, and when it comes to things like, for example, the end of life, when the animal might be killed for meat production, that whatever method that is, that's the most humane, quick and painless. So for me, I think they're very important. I think we, as anyone working with nature, and especially farmers, they're affected by climate change, and so I think I would like to see agriculture across the world that reflects the fact that we have one planet.